Another error code I should be showing you today is when you remove the pressure switch wire. That is, the pressure switch has been disconnected. So that is it. Let us proceed. So let us put it on. So immediately you put it on and the pressure switch has been removed or has been tampered with, or it's faulty. So it will indicate the error code. You can see it's flashing the spin. The spin lights are flashing, and also 3 lights are also flashing. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is an error code related to pressure sensor. Or in other models, sometimes it indicates IE. So this one, you can check the model number here. That is the model number. So if you have a machine flashing that way, you should check out the wiring to the pressure switch itself, and probably replace it if it's faulty. Thank you for watching.